Jose wrote the following Lotus script web service class number test function get1, as integer get1 equals n function public function get2, as integer get2 equals n function private function get3, as integer get3 equals n function and class if number test is defined as the port type class in the web service design element. Which of these methods will be available to remote clients that need to call this Domino web service? Option A. Get2 only. Option B. Get1 and Get2. Option C. Get1, Get2, and Get3. Option D. None of the methods will be available, because the class was not declared to be public. The correct answer is option B. Alberto sees the following attribute in the WSDL SOAP binding element style equals document. Where is that attribute set in the web service in Domino Designer? Option A. Port type name field in the web services property box. Option B. Programming model option in the web service property box. Option C. Service port name field in the web services property box. Option D. SOAP message format option in the web service property box. The correct answer is option D. Gloria has coded the getAccountBalance class in the declaration section of her web service. What WSDL element will map to this class name? Option A. WSDL binding. Option B. WSDL service. Option C. WSDL port type. Option D. WSDL operation. The correct answer is option C.